Okay, guys. So we start now. Kita mula. Okay, so you guys can all see the screen. Boleh nampak screen saya? Can Okay. So let's start. Hello, welcome. So all the AdMaths Pro over here, future A plus candidate for AdMaths. All of you those are those who join my class. Bakal A plus for SPM AdMaths. Okay, or else you won't join my class one. Trust me. Okay, today I will make sure you fully recap all your Form 4. Okay, that is the objective for today. Kita recap seluruh Form 4 topic AdMaths. Chapter 1 until Chapter 10. Okay, can you guys trust me? Put your trust in me. Okay, confirm you will learn something from today. Okay, all right. So let's see the first question, guys. So whenever you see the first question, soalan pertama, what chapter is this? Of course, it's Form 4, but chapter what? You guys, first thing when see AdMaths question, identify what chapter is it. Kenal pasti bab dia apa? Yes. Okay, this is your Form 4 chapter 7 of AdMaths, which is coordinate geometry. Okay, all right. So the first question is find coordinate R. Okay, kamu kena cari coordinate R. Wait, how come suddenly lag? Wait, guys. Okay, so you must find coordinate R. So how do we actually find this? So you can see the diagram here, guys. R is over here. So you need to get the coordinate. Okay, so you need to see the information. So they tell you PQ. This is the equation, persamaan. Okay, and then what else? They tell you intersect y-axis at 0, 9. Okay, so means that you can label this as 9, 9. Okay, because they say AB intersect y-axis at 0.09. Okay, persilangan. So this is your pintasan y. All right. Okay. So based on this information, you need to think and see how to find coordinate R. So anyone got a concept? Okay, the only thing you know is this equation of the line is negative x over 7 plus 3y over 7 is equal to 1. So what is your next step, guys? Apa kamu kena buat dulu? Very good. Yes, you must find the gradient. Cari kecerunan. Okay, gradient of PQ or AB? May I know? Kamu cari kecerunan PQ atau AB? Yes. A? No. AB, you don't have information. Dalman. Always remember you have to find something with information. Yes. Okay, so PQ, you have information. Correct? So you times the whole equation by 7. Darab 7. So you will get negative x plus 3y equal to 7. Okay? So 3y equal to 7 plus x. So y is equal to x over 3 plus 7 over 3. Okay? So what is the gradient, guys, for PQ? May I know? Based on your equation here. Apa kecerunan dia? You see, this is in general form. Bentuk arm. Yes. Okay, your gradient is 1 over 3. Very good. Okay, and then you see, guys, the question say they are perpendicular. Berselanjang. Means that 90 degrees. So what is the formula, guys? When you see perpendicular? Very good. M1, M2 equal negative 1. Okay, so mean that 1 over 3 times M2 equal to negative 1. Your M2 is equal to negative 3. Correct? So means that the gradient of AB, kecerunan garis AB ni adalah negative 3. That's the concept. Okay? So based on this, you can form the equation for AB. So can you all tell me, guys, what is the equation you get for straight line AB? Persamaan garis lurus AB. You have the pintasan y is 9, gradient is negative 3. So y equal to mx plus c? Yes. Y equal to negative 3x plus 9. Correct? Okay, so now you see, guys, they want you to find point R. What do we call point R, guys? May I know? Apa nama kita bagi untuk titik R? Yes, you do simultaneous equation. Correct. Yes, intersection. So whenever they ask you to find point of intersection, simultaneous. Okay, titik persilangan selalunya persamaan serentak. Okay, so means that this equation and this equation simultaneous. You need to solve. Okay, so what you can do is just substitute lah. Gantikan saja because you have your y already. So just substitute negative 3x plus 9 in your y. Okay, and then you can solve for x. Okay, selesaikan untuk x. So you can see over here, guys, the working. So this is the simultaneous part over here. Okay, so you just substitute and then you will get x equal to 2 and you substitute back in any equation, gantikan saja, you will get y equal to 3. So your final answer for coordinate r is 2, 3. Okay, do you get the concept, guys? Dapat? So you can see, guys, it's very strategic one, the working process. Make sure you guys think in this order. Kena fikir macam ni. Okay, don't need to feel like it's so complex. Just go step by step. You must think and see what is your first step, second step, third step, something like that. Okay? All right. So next one, they ask you to find equation of locus, persamaan locus. So guys, locus, what is the shape? May I know? When they say locus, apa bentuk dia? Yes, actually it's just a circle, bulatan. Okay? So you can see that the distance from point R is always 4 unit. So means this point R is actually what, guys? May I know? Titik R ni apa dalam bulatan? They say the distance from that point always 4 unit. Yes. No. R only. Titik R saja. What do we call that point? There is one name. When you have a circle, there is one point in the middle. What do we call that point? Titik kat tengah bulatan. No. Yes. Pusat bulatan. Correct. Okay. Center of circle. Cannot hear anything. The rest can hear. Try to check your audio. Farah Aldiana. Okay. Hopefully I'm not talking to ghosts. If you guys replying means that I'm not talking to ghosts lah. That's what I can assume. Okay. All right. So next one. You have to form the equation, guys. Kamu kena bentuk persamaan. So you can say that RS equal to 4. Correct? So you need to know the distance of RS. So what is the distance formula? Rumus jarak. You guys must remember this. Okay, the formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so you just need to substitute the points inside, guys. Okay, gantikan. So your R, you already have the coordinate from your part A. The answer is 2, 3. Okay, so you can substitute that. So R is 2, 3. And then S. Okay, so for coordinate S, you must see, guys, they say it is a moving point. Titik bergerak. So whenever you see moving point, guys, what is the coordinate for S? May I know? This one important. Titik bergerak. So what is the label you will give for coordinate S? Yes, you will always give a label of XY. Remember, guys, titik bergerak, moving point, always XY. Because we don't know the value of X, we don't know the value of Y. Tak tahu nilai dia. Okay, so just give it XY. Clear? So your equation will look something like this. You just substitute, gantikan, and then you square both sides, kuasa 2, to remove the square root. You will get this equation, and then you just make it equal to 0. Sama dengan kosong. Okay? What is the formula called in textbook? Which one? This one, the one with square root. Oh, that one is called as distance formula, the name. But I think in your NMATS textbook, they got show this also. Okay, yeah. It's rumus jarak in BM. Okay? So you make sure you know this formula. Because whenever they ask locus, right, confirm you have to use this formula. Mesti kena guna. Yes, only apply to locus, correct. But if they ask you like, find the distance between point A and point B, just a general question. Cari jarak antara titik A dan titik B. So let's say you have the coordinate A is 1, 2. Random question lah. Coordinate B is 5, negative 3. So how you find the distance? You can use this formula. Am I right? So that's why this formula is very useful. Any type of distance involving coordinate, guys, only coordinate. Coordinate saja boleh guna rumus ni. Okay, not any distance. Coordinate distance. Okay, these questions are new to me. Which year trial paper is this? No, this one is a Form 4 end year paper that I found. It's not trial paper, guys. This one, because only is Form 4 topic today. Hanya topic tingkatan 4. So trial paper you cannot find one because trial paper is mixed Form 4 and Form 5 one shot. So you cannot get a paper. Okay, for I struggle this year. Oh, never mind. You just study lah, slow and steady. Okay. Why soalan look like trial? No, it's not trial. Question special for us. Yes, you all special people, right? So of course the question must be special also lah. Am I right? Special people, special question. The next one, not this. Oh, which next one? What do you mean by next one? Special people. Special people in inverted comma. Got the inverted comma one. The function. Oh, the bottom one, is it? This one. Oh, we'll discuss. Don't worry. Slowly. Okay, so for question 1, guys. Question 1, all of you clear? Yes. Actually, this is Kedah Akhir Tahun paper. This one is Kedah actually. Kedah Form 4 PAT I took. Okay. Can guys? If you got any question halfway when I discuss, make sure you stop me guys. Hentikan saya kalau tak faham. Okay. So if no one asks anything, I just continue only. Okay. So for question 2, guys. This one is Form 4. Chapter what? May I know? Bab berapa ya ni? You see HX lah. You see this one lah. Chapter 1 lah. Okay. So this is fungsi, function. Okay. So very simple. This is a simple topic. So they ask you express M in term of N. Ungkapkan. Okay, so when they say like this, means your answer is M equal something N. Okay, your format of your answer must be like this. Okay, all right. So based on your function, guys, can you all tell me Hx? Oh, sorry, the question give already. Never mind. Hx is equal to 2x plus 1 over 3 minus x. Okay, so what you can do from here is, okay, this one. X cannot equal to M plus N. Okay, so means that, what is the meaning of this, guys? Can you all tell me first? Apa maksud pernyataan tu? What do you all think? Why they say X cannot equal to M plus N? Nope, that is wrong. M plus N is not 0, guys. Yes, M plus N is actually equal to 3. Correct. Okay, because if your X is equal to 3, guys, cuba lihat. Kalau nilai X 3, bottom is 0, right? Anything divide 0, what do you get, guys? 2x plus 1 over 0. What is your answer? Yes, maths error. Tak ada jawapan. So your answer is infinity. No solution. Okay? So means that when X equal to M plus N, pada nilai ni, you will get a 0. Okay, so the concept is 3 minus M plus N, you will actually get a 0. So M plus N is equal to 3. So M is equal to 3 minus N. Do you understand, guys, how to solve the question? Dapat for number 1? So number 1 is basically a fact question only. Soalan fakta. You must know that when equal to 0, you will get maths error. Okay? Tak ada jawapan. Okay, so that's why it's just like this. 1 mark. Repeat Okay, can. No problem. Okay, you see carefully okay, maybe I give you a simple example. Let's say something like this. Different function guys. Can you tell me X cannot equal to what? Over here. X tak boleh sama dengan apa? Yes, negative 2, right? X only I mean X only. If I ask you X plus 2, then it's not equal to 0. Do you understand? The whole thing, including the X, not equal to 0. But the X only, you must find out the value alone. So the value is negative 2. So that you can get a 0. Understand? So whatever you state here is always the X. Selalu nyatakan nilai X saja. Okay? So that is the concept. Understand? So you're applying the same thing over here. Just that they confuse you with m plus n. That's all. But it's just a value. M plus n is just a value. Satu nilai saja. Still confused? Oh, this one you need to go back to your form 4. Okay, wait. Let me focus on you first. Okay. Tell me, x not equal to what for this one? You go slow and steady. Yes, correct, right? -1. How you get -1, guys? Macam mana dapat? X plus 1 equals 0. X equal -1. -1. Are you clear? Yes. Okay. I write equal to 0 is because I want to solve, guys. Kalau saya tulis macam ni, x plus 1 not equal to 0. So x not equal to -1. Saya tak boleh selesaikan, guys. I cannot solve for my x value. That's why I need to put an equal sign. Saya perlu letak sama dengan. Understand not? So that I can get a value. X is -1. Are you clear? So it's the same concept over here. So you see over here, x not equal to m plus n. So you just substitute the m plus n inside the x equal to 0. The whole thing. 3 minus bracket m plus n equal to 0. Okay? Can guys? Boleh? Alright. So next question. Okay, so for this question, they ask you find the value of t. Cari nilai t. Okay, very simple. So guys, may I know is t object or image? Tell me. H5. Wrong. Daman, you tell that wrong. Yes, t is the object. Remember, phi is your image. Are you clear? Always is object go to image. Okay, object akan pergi kepada image. That's why you see the arrow is like this. Object to image. So mean that x is equal to t and then your hx equal to 5. So this is your two information. Understand? So you just substitute inside lah. Gantikan. Object go image, object love image. Yeah, you can think like that. Yes, can. You can think that object ni dia suka image. So that's why dia kena pergi object kepada image. Selalunya macam tu. Okay? Alright. So you can see over here, you will get the answer. T is equal to 2 after solving. Okay, this is your final answer. Tapi image tak suka object. Very simple lah, guys. Okay, do you want me to give a joke now? Nak buat lawak tak sekarang? Very simple. You understand this concept one, guys. Trust me. Okay, object, image. This one I only apply for boys. Concept ni untuk lelaki saja. Okay, be careful lah. Okay, so you assume the object is the boy. You assume the image is the girl. Why I say that, guys? Kenapa saya cakap macam tu? Because object got O, right? Boy also got letter O, right? Image got I, right? Girl also got I, right? So object is boy, image is girl. Guys, boy like girl or not? May I know? Lelaki suka perempuan tak? Dalam kehidupan harian kita? That confirm yes, right? All the boys like girl, right? Common sense, right? But guys, you think and see. Does it mean the girl will like the boy? Adakah lelaki confirm 100%, perempuan 100% suka lelaki? No, right? This one is not guaranteed, right? So that's why boy will always like the girl one, but girl not confirm will like the boy. So that's why object go to image, but image usually won't go object. Unless you talk about inverse function lah. Fungsi songsang, then different story. But just if you're talking about function, fungsi, this is the concept. Okay? Gambling at its finest. Oh, you're gambling for the girl, is it? Kavin. Oh, you want to gamble for girl. Very good. This one different level already. Kai Bill different. PFS where got girl? Form 6 lah. Form 6 got a lot. Go and find your type. Okay. So now, image of -1. So guys, -1. Is it your object or image? May I know? Later you talk about boy and girl. Now you see at maths. Daman got too many cars already. Okay, object, correct. Okay, so this is object. Okay, so mean that you must find your image lah, guys. So just substitute x equal to -1. Okay, you can see over here. Just gantikan. Okay, x equal to -1. Find your answer. -1/4. Okay, get it? Simple, right? Very straightforward kan? This is how they ask lah for ADMATS. Okay, next one. They give you these two functions. They ask you to find the value of k and p. Okay, so you need to solve this equation. Okay, first step, you must find inverse function, fungsi songsang. Do you all still remember, guys, how to do inverse function? Masih ingat tak how to do fungsi songsang? First step, you must let y. Yes, so y equal to 2x plus p over 3. Yes, or y equal to fx also can. Okay, so now you find your x. Okay, so you just solve the second for x. So you will get this one. So this is your inverse function, fungsi songsang. G inverse x is equal to all the y, right, guys? You change to x. Whatever y you see, just change it become x. So 3x minus p over 2. Done. So next part, you need to find gfx. Just now only you guys talking about girlfriend, right? Make sure you find your girlfriend x. You know what is girlfriend x, right? gfx in ADMATS, girlfriend x. That's why very hard, right? You all don't like composite function, right? Tak suka fungsi kuban. Why? Because ex girlfriend very hard to get back. Susah nak dapat balik. Once gone, it's gone. Can never find in real life and in ADMATS. Wow, both also cannot. Wow, very sad lah you. At least one must have lah. At least 1 out of 2 must have. If you can do in ADMATS, you never do in real life. Okay lah, quite sad also. But if you can do in real life, cannot do in ADMATS, I salute you. Respect. Although I teach ADMATS, walaupun saya ajar ADMATS, okay, still respect. Okay, so now focus back here. Okay, so for this one, gfx, so means that fx datang dulu. You must start with fx. Okay, so you just substitute inside the x. So you will have 2 square root kx plus 2 plus p. You just follow the format, guys, over 3. This one, substitute in the x. That's all. So then you just expand this lah, kembangkan yang ni, and then equal to this one over here. Okay? But you need to change something over here. Okay, based on the question, is x plus 1. Okay, so means that you just change this to become x plus 1. Okay, because now your x sudah jadi x tambah 1. This one is a combination of all topic. Gabung semua bab. Semua form 4 saja. ADMATS. Okay, untuk ulang kaji. Alright. Okay, so this one you will get 3x plus 3 minus p over 2. So now you get this equal to this answer. So you will get something like this over here. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, so you can see they make it same. So what to do, guys? You need to find k and p, right? So what you do is just compare, bandingkan. You see x, direct compare. Bandingkan per kali bagi x. Okay, you compare the coefficient. Coefficient means the thing in front of the x. Coefficient, red color. Okay, and then for the p, very simple. You just compare these two. So you will get 2 equations, dua persamaan, solve them. Okay, so you will get k is 81 over 16 and p equal to 1 over 5. Okay, compare the x, which one better, go back to it. Smart fella. How if both also not good, Kai? How if both the x also not good for you? What happened? Which one to go back then? Go back to your house and cry. That's what you should do lah. Go back to the house and cry. Find new x. In mathematics, right, guys? Okay, let me tell you a joke lah. In maths or ADMATS, right? You cannot find new x1. Trust me. Tak boleh cari x baru. Whatever ada saja boleh selesaikan. Whatever x you have in the equation, you can only solve. You cannot add new x. Am I right, guys? When you solve maths equation, is whatever that is there you solve. Am I right? Same for girlfriend lah. Whatever girlfriend you have, you solve it over there only. Cannot cari yang baru. It's like that only. Add log then. And in real life, okay, that one don't want to talk. That one depend on you. This one is I'm relating to admits only. Relationship with admits. So whatever happen in the real life, it depend on what you do. Add log, sir got GF. The rest will know. I don't need to declare. Okay, so continue, guys. Next one. Okay, so next question. So question number 3. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so what topic is this, guys? May I know? Apa bab yang ni? You see the question, you will know already. Yes, the recent trend is you must know how to do specific method. Okay, come out in SPM, guys. SPM 2024. Take note, latest SPM. The SPM specify, dia spesifikkan kena guna kaedah garis nombor ataupun kaedah jadual. You need to know every single method. There is 3 method, right? You guys learn in Form 4 Chapter 2. 3 kaedah. One is number line, second is graph, third is table. Ada 3 method. Jadual, garis nombor, graph. So you need to know all these 3. Kena tahu 3-3. Because the recent trend, they expect you to know it already. Okay, before this, 2021, 22, and 23, tak perlu tahu. You just choose one method that you know is enough already. But now SPM dia kejam. They want to see whether you understand the specific method or not. Okay, so you must know, guys, kena tahu. Okay, but actually no problem one. You can still check your answer. Okay, so you see this equation. Very simple. You just start to factorize first. Okay, faktorkan macam biasa. Can you please teach the table method? Table and number line is the same concept. Same one. Table and number line sama. It's just that table method, you draw a table. Number line, you don't draw a table. That's all. That's the difference. How you write the answer is all the same. I still don't understand those 2 methods. Table and number line, is it? Do you mean that one? Okay, never mind. I show number line first. If you understand number line, then we go table. Okay, so you factorize these guys. So when you factorize, you will get x equal to -3 and x is equal to 5. Correct? So these are the 2 values lah, your roots, punca. So now comes the number line method. So the name itself is number line, right, guys? So you must draw a number line lah. Kena lukis garis nombor. Put -3 here, put 5 here. Okay, so how many region do you have, guys? Can you all tell me? Berapa kawasan kamu nampak based on this number line? Yes. Okay, this is the first region. This is the second region. This is the third region. Okay, so first region, x less than -3. Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, yeah, less than the -3. How to know I put number first or second? Ascending order, urutan menaik. Can you see? Always to the right must be positive. Am I right? When you draw graph, right hand side positive, left hand side negative. Betul? So same concept lah, number line. Okay, concept sama saja. Just follow. Okay? So this one, -3 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5. This is your second inequality. Must have equal. Kena ada sama dengan. Because you see the question, they have equal sign. So question have equal sign, you must also put equal sign. Can, guys? Equal soalan. And then this one, x greater than 5. Lebih besar dari 5. Okay, so far, all of you can follow? Sampai sekarang boleh? Can, Okay, so now you guys see this one. This is your 2 bracket, right? So you just write it down over here. So you put x plus 3 here, x minus 5 here, and then you put the multiplication together. X plus 3, x minus 5. Something like this. Okay, so now comes the method. X less than -3. Can you guys tell me a number? Bagi saya satu nombor yang patuhi ketaksaman ni, guys. Any number. 0 Guys, who says 0? The people who say 0. Negative 2 guys, you all never know me yet. When you guys tell silly answer like this, calculator, Kai knows very well. Please, don't make sure you see carefully. Less than, lebih kurang. Oh, you need the calculator smack, is it? Oh, you want me to smack you with the calculator? Oh, okay, can lah. Spare the rod, spoil the child. Am I right? Asian culture, we smack people with calculator. Okay. Kai, you suicide mission, Kai. No need lah, don't suicide lah, for fun only. Joking. Okay, so x less than negative 3. So less than, what is the number? I choose maybe negative 8. You can choose any number, guys. Pilih apa-apa. Negative 100 also can. So guys, you substitute negative 8 in all these terms over here. Gantikan. So negative 8 plus 3, you get negative, right? The value you don't care, guys. Nilai jangan lihat. Okay, so negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. Negative 8 minus 5, negative also, right? So negative times negative, dapat apa, guys? Now we are talking about the product, hasil dia. Hasil dah positive lah. So you just put the symbol is enough. No need to put the value. Okay? And then you see number 2, guys. So give me a number between negative 3 and 5. Anyone? Apa-apa nombor antara negatif 3 dan 5? 3 lah. Okay, yes. Okay, I choose 3. So 3 means 3 plus 3, positive. Okay, so the first one is positive. 3 minus 5, negative. And then positive times negative, you will get negative. Correct? So that is number 2 lah. And then number 3, can you guys give me a number greater than 5? Lebih besar dari 5. Okay, 100. This one too much already. Kai, too much. Okay, 1 million. Is it 1 million? Oh, not 1 million also lah. I think it's billion already. Okay. Yes, you're correct. But don't do this in AdMaths. Jangan buat. Okay, because it's too extreme already. Okay. All right. So let's say I choose 10. So 10 plus 3, positive. And then 10 minus 5, also positive. So positive times positive, positive. Okay? Very smart, are you? Correct. Good, you can relate. Okay. So now, guys, you see your question, nampak soalan. So your question is, must be less than or equal to 0. So guys, will you choose a positive or negative answer? Mana yang kamu pilih? Sekarang nak lebih kurang atau sama dengan kosong? Yes. Confirm you're going to choose this one lah, the negative. Then your answer is negative 3 less than x less than equal to 5. Are you clear, guys? How to show the number line method? Jelas? Kaedah garis nombor? So this is how you do in the exam. That's all. Can understand? All of you? So this is the method lah. If for table, jadwal, what you do is, you just modify, guys. Just draw a table like this. Letak jadual macam ni. The concept is still the same one. This is table method lah. Kaedah jadual. You no need to draw number line. Tak perlu lukis garis nombor tu. You direct show this one. If it's table method. Are you clear? So actually the difference is very small. Sangat kecil saja. Dua kaedah ni. Are you clear? Graph. Graph means you draw graph lah. This one quadratic graph, right? So something like this. Okay, and then you label your roots negative 3 and 5. So, okay, wait, I need to change. So maybe like this. So negative 3, 5, and then they say less than or equal to 0. Lebih kurang atau sama dengan kosong. So this is your x-axis, right, guys? Paksi x. So when they say less than or equal to 0, you must shade down ke bawah. So do you get the same answer? Yes. Okay, jawapan masih sama. Can you see? So whatever method you use, still the same answer one. Okay? Can you repeat again how you got the final answer? This one, over here. Using the number line method. You just need to get a negative value. That's why I get that answer. Because the question say less than or equal to 0. Lebih kurang atau sama dengan. So positive answer I cannot accept. Because the question say must be less than equal to 0. Are you clear? That's why I have to choose the middle one. Middle one means between negative 3 and 5 because these two are your roots, punca. So in between, these two value is where you will get negative answer. Is it? If it's more or equal to 0, then I can choose yes. That's the concept. Correct. If this one changed to more than or equal to 0, then you go for this one and also this one. Are you clear? So you follow the question. Follow the inequality symbol. Okay? Can? All right. Okay, so next one. Question B. So question B, again, is the same concept. You need to show the number line. Okay, garis nombor. So you guys can see over here how to do for number 2. Okay, so you can see it's like this only. Macam ni. Okay, so you see you label positive, negative, or positive. So now you see this question greater than 0. Lebih besar dari kosong. So means that you take this one, you take this one. Okay, so mean that your answer is less than 0 or greater than 2. Do you see the concept, guys? Dapat? So you must choose and write your point also. You must write down the value. Okay, example x lebih kurang dari kosong. You must specify what is the x value you choose. X equal negative 1. Something like that. You must write. Okay? Can? All of you? Make sure you all remember this. Kena ingat. Okay, because now SPM very hot. This question. Suka sangat tanya. So make sure you remember how to do this. Okay? All right. So if no problem, continue. Question number B. SPM question hot, but you are hotter. Thank you very much. But to be honest, one person say it's not enough. I need everyone to say. Then only I agree. One person say does not mean much. Oh, agree also. 2 people already. Still got 35 more people here. Okay, never mind. Later we see who agree. Okay. So now question B. Oh, 3 already. Thank you very much. Okay. Solve the inequality. Selesaikan ketaksamaan. Okay. So how do you solve these guys? Okay, good question. You can see that they combine 2 inequality sign. It's a combination. So you must separate. Pisahkan. So how to separate? Very simple. You separate, become this one. This is your first one. And then you separate this one. Become like this. Can you see how I separate, guys? Boleh dapat? Because you cannot solve this one. Tak boleh selesaikan yang ni. Because it's combined. 2 in 1. You cannot get the answer for x. Because when they say solve means you must find your x. Cari nilai x. So how to cari? If it's combined like this. Cannot, right? So that's why you separate. Okay? So you just factorize. So you will get x is 0, x is 2. So based on just now answer, guys, lihat jawapan tadi. Just now your answer for this is less than 0 and x greater than 2. Am I right? For this inequality. So actually you have the answer D from just now. So for the first part, you no need to solve. Tak perlu selesaikan. Just copy back the answer. Okay? But for this one, let me see. Okay, this one also we have the answer. Sudah ada. Because you already showed the method just now. Okay, so you can direct use the answer here. Negative 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So guys, you see your 2 answers. Now you must think how to write the final answer. So you got all this over here. So what is the final answer for this question? Anyone know? Think and see. What should be the final answer? You cannot leave like this. You must write the conclusion, kesimpulan. Which one is going to be the correct answer? So anyone got idea? How to know? Very simple. X less than or equal to negative 3. No. Very simple, guys. You must just draw a number line to understand the situation. Lukis saja garis nombor. Okay, so you put all the numbers. Negative 3, 5, 2, 0. Okay, so you draw the inequality, guys. You guys still remember how to draw it? You learn in maths. Belajar kan? Mathematics. If negative 3 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 5. You draw like this, correct? And then x less than 0, you guys will draw like this. Am I right? Something like this. And then x greater than 2, lebih besar dari 2. So you guys draw like this, correct? So where is the common region, guys? Kat mana kawasan yang serupa? The common region is this and also this. Am I right? The intersection part lah. Okay, so you can see that the common region is -3 less than or equal to x less than 0. And also x greater than 2. Okay, do you see that, guys? Dapat? So that is, wrong. There is a limit over there. 2 less than x less than or equal to 5. This is your final answer. Okay, guys? Dapat? Do you see how I get the answer? So you just read the inequality symbol only. Baca saja. So you will have two answers, one. Because there is a gap over here. Can you see? Ada ruang kosong. So you cannot combine them because there is no line over there. Okay? Can get it? All of you? So this is how you solve the inequality. Okay? Any problem so far? Ada apa-apa masalah? If don't have, continue. Pergi lagi ya. Okay, continue. Next one. Okay, so next one is your favorite topic, guys. Topic yang kamu paling suka for AdMaths. Guess what is the chapter, guys? You like a lot? Yes, your Form 4 Chapter 3. This one is your girlfriend lah, guys. Trust me. This is your girlfriend in AdMaths. If you understand what I mean, you know lah. Ini adalah macam teman kamu dalam matematik tambahan. Form 4 Chapter 3. Treat this chapter well. Okay, means that you must score full marks. Not even 1 mark less, guys. Tak boleh 1 markah kurang. Very simple. This is 3 marks. Markah percuma 6. You should get this mark 1. Close your eye, you can get the mark. Okay, so now you see the question. So they say biggest angle x is 20 more than the sum of the other 2 angles. Okay, so can anyone tell me your first equation based on the information? Persamaan pertama. You all think and see how to write out. So anyone? Yeah, wait. 20 plus x equal to x plus y. Wait, guys, hold on. Okay. The biggest angle x is 20 more than the sum of the other 2. No. Kai, wrong. You should get. Oh, I'm poor in this chapter. Don't worry. You see this question, how I explain. Okay, then you see whether understand or not. Okay, slow and steady. All right. So this one, biggest angle x, they say is 20 more. 20 lebih. So it's how like Christine right over there. Your answer must be something like that. Okay, you must understand, guys. They say x is 20 more. So means that x is equal to 20 plus the sum of other 2 angle. Sum means plus, right? Hasil tambah. So plus. The other 2 angle is y and z. So that's why this is your first equation. Understand? So be careful with the language in this chapter. Bahasa baca betul-betul. Okay? All right. So second equation, what else you guys can think? Okay, so Dalman, 20x plus y plus z equal to 180. How come got 20 there? May I know, Dalman? Oh, already. Never mind. Okay, so the second one is, you guys just see the triangle, guys. Yes, total angle in a triangle must be 180. Correct. Okay, so you just equal to 180. Second equation. So now you need one more. Satu lagi. So you see this one. Biggest angle is equal to 5 times the difference between other 2 angles. Yes, very good, Christine. Okay, so x is equal to 5 times of y minus z. Okay, the difference between the other 2 angles is this one. Ini adalah 2 sudut berbeza. Because sudut terbesar adalah x. Okay? Yes, 3 variables one. AdMaths is always 3 variable. Okay? Can, all of you? Okay, so now I want to ask a question here. What is chapter 2? Chapter 2 is quadratic equation. Totally different. No relation one. Okay. All right. So now guys, y and z. How do you know which angle is bigger guys? May I know? Macam mana kamu tahu antara y dan z mana yang lebih besar? Count lah. You cannot count yet. You cannot count. Y looks bigger. Smart. The answer is y looks bigger. Y nampak lebih besar daripada z. Okay, although this method actually cannot use in the exam, you cannot judge based on how it looks in AdMaths or Maths, but in certain situation you can. Situasi-situasi tertentu boleh lihat wajar. Yes, because it's the opposite of obtuse. Can also? Yes. Okay, one more thing. If you guys still remember your Form 4 Chapter 9, do you all still remember that? Solution of triangle, penyelesaian segitiga. So you guys compare and see the opposite side and opposite angle. So guys, AC is big, right? If you compare to AB, correct? Based on the diagram, AC ni lebih panjang daripada AB. So guys, using sine rule, petua sinus, if AC is a larger length, then angle Y should be a big angle also. Am I right? Sudut Y kena besar lah sebab sisi bertentangan dia panjang. So AB, sisi bertentangan dia kecil. So that's why sudut Z kena lebih kecil dari sudut Y. Faham tak? So you can use Form 4 Chapter 9 knowledge also to understand. Okay, so always remember the angle is influenced by how long the side opposite to it is. Kamu kena lihat sisi bertentangan dengan sesuatu sudut. Okay, untuk tentukan sama ada sudut tu besar atau kecil. Okay, can all of you? So just make sure you don't write Z minus Y here. If you suddenly write Z minus Y, habis, gone. All will be wrong already. Okay, so be careful on that part. Okay, all right. So now, based on these three equations, what can you do over here? You can do substitution, penggantian. So you can substitute equation 1 inside here, gantikan. So you will get an equation in terms of y and z. And then you can make this one equal to this one. Correct? Samakan 1 dan 3. So you already have two equations in terms of y and z. Then use elimination or substitution, penggantian atau penghapusan. So you guys can see the method over here. This is the first method, kaedah pertama. So they use elimination, penghapusan. Okay, so you see they actually cancel out the x, something like this. Okay, so you will get this one, and then you hapuskan sekali lagi. You choose equation 3 and equation 1, or 2 and 3 also can, depend on you. This chapter is very bebas one, guys. Tak ada kaedah yang fix. So whatever method you use is correct, as long your final answer betul. Okay, so this is another equation, and then eliminate, penghapusan. So you see, you get your z, substitute. Okay, hold on. You substitute, you get your y, and then you substitute again, get the x. So then, habis. You already get all the answer. Okay? Are you all clear, guys? Jelas for this question? So you can use this method. If you find this method is easy lah for you. If you find difficult, you guys can use substitution method, penggantian. So this is substitution over here. So you can see all the step is substitute. Actually, this one is shorter if you see carefully. Yang ni lebih pendek. Okay? Can guys? No problem. This question, all clear? This one should be your 6 marks in your hand lah. Okay, very simple to solve. Okay? All right. Next one. Another easy topic in AdMaths. This one is your linear law. You are very good tutor. Thank you very much. Hopefully I am. Okay, so this one is linear law, hukum linear. So guys, you see the question, see carefully. Okay, the question is, they ask you to label the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so now the important part is, what is your x, what is your y? Okay, so you need to convert this to become linear form. Okay, so how to convert, guys? May I know? What is your step? You see the number E. Come to PFS and teach. You guys never call? You guys never call me, so I never come lah. Lon. Yes, correct. Oh, now I call. How you going to call now? You wait for tomorrow if you want. Okay. So now, you add lon. Am I right? So you add lon and both sides. Okay, why you add lon, guys? May I know? What is the reason kamu kena tambah lon? Because you guys see the E. Whenever you see E, always is lon. Remember, lon is log base E. This one is very important concept. Log base E is ln. Okay, so now based on log, what can you do to these guys? May I know? Boleh buat apa? You see a power, kuasa. So what can you do? Yes, bawa depan. Okay, just bring it in front. So ln y is 2x plus q. Ln e, what is the value, guys, for ln e? This one very simple. This one is under your log topic. Yes. Okay, ln e, the answer is 1, guys. 1. Anyone don't know why the answer is 1? Can you tell me? Siapa tak tahu kenapa ln e sama dengan 1? You are? You sure? Okay. So this one, I need help with this eating. Okay. Just now only I tell you guys, right? Ln is log base e. Am I right? So log ee is 1, right? Because the base and the number is the same. Asas dan nombor sama. So that's why you get 1. Remember, ln is log base e. This is the concept. It's the same thing. Sama. Okay? Understand, guys? So that's why this one got no effect. It's a 1 over here. So 1 tak perlu tulis lah. Because 1 times anything is that number. Okay, so do you all see y equal to mx plus c now? Boleh nampak the format? So your y is your ln y. X is your x. M is your 2. C is your q. Semua info sudah ada. Everything got. Okay, so you guys can already label the x and y axis. Okay, and then state the value of q. Okay, so you need to find the y-intercept, pintasan y. Okay, so how do we find it? Wait, let me see. Okay, so you know that the gradient is 2, right? Okay, kecerunan dia 2. Wait, did they give enough information here? Wait, let me see. Feel like not enough information. Wait. Q equal to 3. Sada, guys. Let me see. How to get 3 over here? Okay. This question, right? I think you guys cannot find the Q. Tak boleh cari nilai Q. Because there is no points given on this graph. How come got scammer suddenly? Oh my god. Wait, where is this person? Sorry, guys. Okay, done. Oh, the same one from that day. Oh, really? You notice it's the same person. So good, your memory. Wow. Okay, the exact same guy. Oh, okay. Quite some time already. Okay, so now, you guys cannot find the Q. Tak boleh cari nilai Q. Okay, so the reason is because you don't see any point over here. Can you see, guys? Tak ada apa-apa titik kan atas graph. So when you see no point, you actually cannot find the Q because you have nothing to substitute over there, over this equation. Understand? So actually this question, they shouldn't ask lah. They should give a point. Then only can solve. Okay? Can guys? So you just label x-axis, y-axis, sudah cukup. Okay, you just need to know this one is ln y, this one is x. Okay, this one don't see. Okay, because not enough info. Okay, all right. So next question. So next question, they are investigating between length of pendulum and period. You guys should have done this experiment. Ayunan bandul. I think you guys got do, right? Physics. You guys should know this. Okay, so T square against L. Why? Not nice, Physics is always a fun subject. To me, physics is something very fun. Okay, so T square against L. So you're going to plot this graph, guys. So how to tell the equation? No, I don't teach physics. Physics, not my specialty. My specialty is maths and admaths. Dua ni saja. Okay, RV against MV. Yes, correct. Okay, you're going to plot RV against MV. Okay, so when you do the equation of best fit, right, guys, you see they give you the gradient, right? Kecerunan. And then they give you a point. So what you can do is y equal to mx plus c. So y, guys, what is your y over here? May I know? Based on the question. Apa nilai y kat sini? Okay, you can say 2, can? Okay, so that you can find your, wait, okay, you guys must be careful because now you see, guys, is T square against L, T square. Okay, but still maintain Y but you must write T square first so that you don't confuse. Okay, because now your Y is T square. When they say T square melawan L, means T square is Y axis, L X axis. Okay, so your gradient kecerunan is 0.04. So 0.04 L plus C. C you need to find. How to find the C? Guna titik ni. Okay, so your L is 50, your T square is 2. Okay, so substitute, gantikan, and then you guys press calculator, get your C value. Okay, so C value you should get 0, kosong, means that it passed through the origin, asalan. So final answer, you should have T square equal to 0.04 L. Okay, understand, guys, how to get the answer? Kosong, you will get 0. It's not divide, minus. Careful, it's a plus C. Wow, you almost shocked me. You almost shocked me that I say that 2 divide 2 is actually 0. I was so embarrassed for a second. I thought I really say 2 divide by 2 is 0. Never mind. Almost got shocked. Okay, so the answer is 0. So you will get this one. Both doubted the expert. Sometimes I make mistake also. That's why I doubted myself for a while. Sometimes the simple thing I make mistake. Okay, so I'm human also. Okay, so T square is 0.04 L. All right. Okay, so you will get this one over here. So this is your answer. Okay, so just 2 marks. Very straightforward. Okay, all right. Okay, one common mistake here, right, guys? You might do this thing. Okay, you see this coordinate here, right? 52. So you focus on the number 2 here. The number 2, right? Nombor 2 ni adalah untuk T kuasa 2. Kena ingat ya ni. T square. Not T, Some people will think T equal to 2. So T square equal to 4. Wrong, The T square itself is 2. Understand? That's why you see T square I gantikan with 2. Not 2 square. 2 square is wrong. Okay? Do you get the concept? Because whenever you plot a graph, the point is based on the axis. Titik tu berdasarkan paksi y dan x. So if they tell you the point is 2, means that 2 represent T square. Understand? Automatically dia macam tu. Okay, it will follow paksi y, paksi x. Okay? Alright. So now, for this one, question number B, they ask you value of L when T square equal to 0.8. So very simple. Use the equation, gantikan, and then you get the answer. L equal to 20 cm. Okay? All of you can so far? So this is quite simple. Number 5. Linear law, usually very straightforward, even in SPM. Okay? Continue, guys. Lagi. Okay, so next one. Okay, who don't like log over here? Tell me. Siapa tak suka log? Log is the one where a lot of SPM candidate don't like. This is the question. I'm okay. Yes, I will scan the schema in my WhatsApp group. I love log. Oh, you love log? Okay, not bad. Because log is something a lot of people don't like. Okay, so this one is your Form 4, Chapter 4, guys. Indices, surd, and log. Okay, so first question, very simple. Okay, this one you guys just need to use your index law, Hukum index. So you start to expand 4 square m square times 2. Okay, you guys must expand the square inside. Kembangkan. I do careless mistake for this question last year. Oh yeah, this one is your PAT, right? If you're from Kedah. This one is your PAT. Exactly. Good lah. Can revise a bit your PAT also. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, so now power 2, trauma. I feel like this paper is not so difficult, Tak sangat susah. There are actually harder questions they could have asked if they are talking about Form 4 lah, I feel. It's considered quite okay, this paper. Quite straightforward. Okay, so for this one, the power 2, you must expand inside, kembangkan. Okay, and then you see the symbol over here is times, right? Darab. Mine was bad. Don't think of the past, guys. Focus on the future. Okay, apa yang dah lalu lupakan. That's all. Okay, so 2 times -4. Expand, kembangkan. So n also power -4. Okay, so now you just press calculator. 4 square is 16. M power 4 over n power 6 times with 1 over 16 m power -8 over n power -4. So this is your equation, guys. Persamaan. So what you do now, you press calculator. 16 times 1 over 16 is 1. 1. So tak perlu tulis. So m power 4 times m power -8. So m power 4 plus, when times, kuasa tambah. So plus -8. Divide n power 6 plus -4. So final answer, you will have m power -4 n power 2. Okay, this one is your final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay, so you can write your answer like this also can. Let's say you want to write like this, also no problem. Hey, wait, did I make careless mistake? Wait, guys, let me check and see. N power -4. Correct lah? I think it's correct. Yeah, this one supposed to be n square on top. N should be fraction. Wait, did I make any mistake? 6 plus -4. It's a times, right? So, and oh yeah, oh my god. You see, guys. Yes. Sorry. That's why I tell you, even I also can make mistake one. I'm still human. So n square. Sorry. Next time you guys correct me, if I write wrongly. Straight away point out. No need to feel shy. Okay? All right. So this is how you solve question A. Any problem? Senang kan? Very straightforward. Okay, come to your log. Okay, so now they ask you to ungkapkan, express. No. This one is genuine. I genuinely made the mistake, not purpose. Okay, I really made the mistake. Okay, so for this one, this is the information you have, guys. So now you want to express log 215. Okay, so you guys must think and see lah. Kena fikir. So what is the combination that you guys can think? Okay, very simple. Log 215 I can separate to become log 2 5 times 3. 5 kali 3. Why? Because I see something with log 2 5 over here. Okay, this one over here, right? You must modify, guys. Yang ni kamu kena ubah. This one. Okay, so how to modify? You change the base, guys. Tukar asas. So you want me to change to what base? May I know? Based on the question. The info is base 4. So, saya kena tukar jadi, yes, change it to base 2 lah, so that you follow the question. So add new base, this is the rule. So you will get like this, equal to, you will equal it to y. Okay, so log 24, guys, can you all tell me what is the answer? Log 24. If your basic for log is strong, you can direct tell the answer. Log 24. You should get how much? Log 24. Yeah, the answer is 2 also. So it's 2y. Okay, so log 23 is equal to 2y. Okay, this whole thing is equal to 2. Okay, all right. So now you can start already. So guys, if times, what can I do to the log? Kalau darab, I can pisahkan, right? So when you pisahkan, you will get log 25 plus, yes, log 23. Okay, so just substitute your information. Log 25 is x, log 23 is 2y. Simple or not, guys? Senang kan? Who say log is so difficult? So simple. Habis, x plus 2y is your answer. Done. Any problem? Ada apa-apa masalah? This question? Simple, right? So it's still simple. Can you teach how you change the log base thing? Oh, this one is your format. Do you still remember this law over here? This one is given in your admaths paper. This one is the law of adding new base. Tambah asas baru. So you see the new base over here I add is the C. So how you add it is in this format. So you apply this formula over here. Can you see? Log 23 over log 24. I apply it to the log 43. Clear? So this is how you do it. That's all. The boy put on top the apple, but put bottom because Newton. Oh, interesting perspective. This one, I think Newton didn't invent this formula. This one is not Newton one. Log is not Newton. Only your Form 5 Chapter 2 and Form 5 Chapter 3 at Maths. That one is Newton invent. Log is not Newton. Differentiation and integration is Newton. Very important topic in your Maths. Okay? So no problem, guys. Tak ada apa-apa masalah. Continue. Next one. Okay, so question number 7. Progressions. Janjang. Who like this chapter? Siapa suka? Simple. This is actually quite okay lah, this chapter. Because you only got arithmetic, geometric. That's all. Okay. So the question is Sn equal to 8n plus 8n square. So the question is find Tn. Okay, this is a good question. Soalan bagus. Okay, so how are you going to find Tn, guys? May I know? Okay, can. No problem. Okay, so how to find Tn, guys? Give me the concept. What is the first step that you need to do? Okay, yes, you can use this one. Find T1. Yes, very good, Christine. So T1 means S1, right? The concept is T1 is equal to S1. First term and the sum of first term is the same meaning. Okay, sebutan pertama dan hasil tambah sebutan pertama. Okay, so you just substitute. N is 1 inside. Press calculator. You will get 16. Okay, so this is your A value. Am I right? Okay, so you got your A already. Now what you will must have? Arithmetic. So arithmetic, you have the D value. Am I right? Yes. So D value is T2 minus T1. Correct? So how to get T2? Okay, very simple. T2 you can find from S2 minus S1. Do you all know this? So actually your formula is S2 minus S1 minus T1. The concept is T2 equal to S2 minus S1. Do you all understand this concept? All of you here? Faham? Kenapa macam ni? Don't understand. Okay, very simple. Okay, let me show you over here. If you don't understand, right, guys? Very simple. Let's say I got number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, you use this method to understand. So guys, S2 means the sum of the first two numbers. Am I right? Hasil tambah dua sebutan pertama. So these are the first two numbers, right? So the answer is 3, right? If you add them up, hasil tambah. So now if I want to find T2 only, sebutan kedua saja, this is my T2, correct? So the concept is, I take the total minus S1. What is the value of S1, guys? Nilai S1 adalah 1 juga kan? because sum of one term, hasil tambah sebutan pertama. So S1 is 1. So means that 3 minus 1, you get 2 lah. So 2 is actually your T2. Do you see the concept? So it's actually the first two term minus the first term. You get the second term value. So the general formula is actually like this. If you guys got see your AdMaths Form 4 textbook, you will see this formula. Have you all seen this, guys? Nampak rumus ni? Sebelum ni? This is the concept lah. So when n is equal to 2, it's like this. T2 equal to, never see take out your Form 4 AdMaths textbook. This one they got show one. See this formula. Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. You have this one. Trust me. Okay, you can use this in the exam. Okay? Tada! Guys, nowadays you guys live in what age? May I know? You live in what era? You live in the cave era, is it? Era Gua. Tada apa-apa. Internet lah, guys. Just search online. Form 4 AdMaths textbook. Done. You can see it in front of your eyes. Am I right? Just search your phone. All right. No need to act like you have no technology. Okay? All right. So understand now, guys? Boleh? All of you? So that's why for this question, right? If you want to find your Tn, so you need to find your D. Okay, so S2, you just substitute n equals to 2, gantikan. So you will get 48 if you press calculator. Okay, and then S1 is 16, and then T1 is also 16, 16. Okay, so your common difference is actually 16, 16. Okay, so now you can get the formula, correct? Okay, so Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D, arithmetic. So A value 16, n value we don't know, tak tahu, D value is 16. So final answer 16 plus 16n minus 16. So your answer is 16n. Okay, dapat guys? Do you see the concept? How I get the answer? So this is your answer lah, the value of Tn. Okay, any problem? So this is how you solve. Whenever they ask you Tn, right, you will never know the n value. Kamu takkan tahu nilai n. Is unknown. So just leave it as an unknown. Okay, all right. So the next one, guys. Now they talk about geometric, janjang geometry. They ask you to find the sum to infinity. Okay, so anyone still remember the formula? S infinity, geometric progression. Okay, slowly. Let me see. Yes, Ken. Because T1 and S1 are the same thing. You guys must know this fact also. T1 equal to S1. Arithmetic or geometric, same. Concept ni boleh pakai. Remember this, guys. T1 equal to S1. Yes. Okay, the formula is A over 1 minus R. Correct. Okay, so wait. Okay, so S infinity is equal to this one. Okay, so based on your progression here, guys, try to find the value. Okay, so nilai A, very straightforward, is P. Okay, R value, you need to count T2 over T1. Okay, so your answer is 2, right? Should be 2, if not mistaken. Okay, wait. Yeah, you should get 2. P over 2 times, yeah. Okay, the answer is 2. Okay, so you just need to substitute, gantikan, so P over 1 minus 2. Okay, so the answer is negative P. Okay, are you clear, guys? How to get the answer? Dapat? So that's all for this question. Any problem? Wait, is my common ratio wrong? P over 2. Sorry lah. Oh my God. How can I say it's 2? Guys, why you all so silent? Correct me, I make mistake like this, bentolkan saya. Why you guys just so silent over there? This one is half. Okay, so the answer is 2P. Okay? Can, sorry. Bukan common ratio is no. Common ratio is T2 over T1. So P2, P over 2 over P. P over 2 over P, you write like this, guys. P over 2 bahagi P. So is you get P over 2 times 1 over P. So P and P cancel. So the answer is half. Common ratio. 1/2. Just now I write 2. That's why wrong. Okay? Can, all of you? Okay, so next one. Okay, come again. Simultaneous equation. Your favorite. Okay, this one is different, guys. Soalan ni berbeza. What is the difference? Over here, you have one linear equation and you have one non-linear equation. Satu linear, satu bukan linear. Just now, all of it is linear. Just soalan tadi. Okay, so the concept is always remember substitute linear into non-linear. This is the concept. Kamu kena gantikan linear dalam bukan linear. Tak boleh terbalik. If you do terbalik, is quite hard. Sedikit susah. Okay, so always go from linear to non-linear. So example, over here you can get x equal to 2 minus 2y. So you substitute this one inside the x. Gantikan. Then you get an equation in term of y. Am I right? So this is the step over here. So you see the substitute, you will get a quadratic equation. Okay, this one over here you cannot factorize. Tak boleh faktorkan. So you must use the quadratic formula. Okay, you are forced to use it lah. Terpaksa kena guna. Okay, so you just use the quadratic formula, you will get these answers. Okay, inilah jawapan dia. So make sure 3 SF guys, because question say 3 SF. You must follow the question. 3 angka bererti. Okay, so then you substitute back your answer, gantikan balik, so that you can find your x values, nilai x. Okay, are you all clear? Jelas how to solve it? This one nothing much to explain lah. It's quite straightforward. Okay, just be careful with your calculation. Jangan buat careless mistake. Okay, all right. So next one. Okay, so next topic is vectors. Vectors. Siapa tak suka? Vectors, some people I know they don't like. Form 4 chapter 8, this question. Important topic, guys. Important. Vectors. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to mark and label pointy. Kamu kena label. So this is your equation, guys. Okay, so how to get pointy? Okay, you need to follow lah the equation. Okay, so QT is equal to 2PR minus PQ. Am I right? Okay, and then if I just want to find pointy, saya boleh pisahkan QT kan? Okay, QT I separate to become QO plus OT. So it's equal to 2PR. What do you mean? Are you a QT? I never hear that short form before. What does QT mean? Oh my God. Smart, Okay, no comments. This kind of people, I have no comments on. Some more is a boy who's asked that one. So weird. Okay, so this is the equation persamaan. So one girl asked, no need lah. Why want so many? Am I right? Okay, so this is your OT, guys. Persamaan dia. Okay, so you need to follow these guys. Because when they ask you mark pointy, right? You must remember, they want you to find the position vector. Vector kedudukan. So this is what we call as position vector. Why? Because it starts at origin. O is origin, asalan. So ini adalah vector kedudukan. So you have to follow this format. So 2PR means that 2 kali lah PR. So you extend some more. 2PR. Okay, and then minus. Minus PQ mean opposite direction. Arah bertentangan. So minus PQ mean you must go like this lah. This way. So you will go this way. Minus PQ. Can you see, guys? Dapat tak? I just follow the order only. And then minus QO. Okay, minus QO mean that wait. Okay, you need to find QO over here. Wait. Let me see. Did they want to find QO? Wait, guys. QT equal to 2PR. Okay. Oh, okay, very simple. No need. Yeah, no need to find O because the question never label O. Tak perlu. Okay, so actually the question straightforward only. You no need to, let me see. Yeah, you no need to separate it like this. You just direct gantikan. Okay, so QT is equal to 2 PR is Q, right? Based on the question. And then PQ is P. Am I right? So it's 2Q minus P. So you have to just mark 2Q minus P. So Q to T, that is the vector. Okay? So if you get 2Q means you must extend like this. 2Q. Wait, 1, 2, 3. So it should be over here. So can you see, guys? If QT is like this, means that this one also Q. So total 2Q and then minus P. Sebab sekarang kamu nak cari QT. So QT is equal to QP plus PT. So QP, you will have negative P because PQ is P. So QP, opposite direction, arah bertentangan, you must add negative. Okay, and then plus 2Q. Can you see, guys? Sama kan? Negative P plus 2Q. So that's why your point T is over here. Understand? All of you? Jelas? The concept? So actually, you no need to find point O. Okay? Can so next one. Question B. So soalan B. They ask you to express H in term of K. Ungkapkan. Okay, so based on the question, you got all this information. And then, what else? Okay, they say A, B, C are collinear. Segaris. Okay, can anyone tell me if collinear, what is the formula I can have? Very important word. Collinear. You guys still remember what is the formula for Segaris? Anyone? The key point here is collinear. Anyone? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Collinear. Nope. Yes, correct. It's one line. But what is the formula? Yes, you need a constant, correct. Okay, the constant is the keyword, pemala. Okay, so the format is like this. A equal to lambda B. Have you guys seen this? Pernah nampak? In Form 4 and Maths, you might have seen this formula. A equal lambda B. So this is formula for collinear, Segaris. Okay, so means that your point here is A, B, and C, right, guys? So mean that I can just say AB equal to lambda BC. Am I right? AB equal to lambda BC. So you can say like this, or you can also write AC equal to lambda AB. Anyway, apa-apa cara tulis pun betul. Is correct one. So you just need to choose one. Pilih satu saja. Okay, so example, let's say I choose like this. So they just want you to express H in term of K. Okay, so you just substitute AB is AO plus OB equal to lambda. BC is BO plus OC bracket. And then AO is negative OA. So negative HI plus 5J plus OB. OB is 3I minus 4J equal to lambda. Okay, BO, you guys need to substitute lah. Okay, BO is negative 3I plus 4J. Okay, wait, need to have space already, or else not enough. Okay, so negative HI plus 5J plus with 3I minus 4J equal to lambda. Okay, so BO is 4J minus 3I plus OC. OC is KI minus 3J. You get the concept, guys? Dapat? So you see how I separate the vector? Kena pisahkan. Okay, and then simplify. So when you simplify, 3 minus HI, saya kumpulkan semua I satu kurungan semua J satu kurungan. Okay, just gather them together. Okay, and then plus J equal to lambda 4 plus, wait, okay, sorry, is J. Okay, J only plus K minus 3I. So this is what you can see, guys, now. Okay, so you can expand the lambda, kembangkan inside. So 3 minus HI plus J is equal to lambda J plus K minus 3 lambda I. Okay, so what you do, guys, now? Compare, bandingkan. So you see the I, you compare with I. Bandingkan per kali. 3 minus H equal to K minus 3 lambda. This is your first equation. 3 minus H equal to K minus 3 lambda. Okay, and then the second one, you have information, right, guys? Can you see? What is your lambda, guys? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? J equal to lambda J. So lambda equal to how much? Very simple. 1 lah. So you already get the value of lambda. Automatic. Lambda equal to 1. So you substitute lambda equal to 1. So K minus 3. So they ask you, express, ungkapkan H dalam sebutan K. So mean that H is equal to 6 minus K. Understand? Dapat? Do you see the concept, guys? Simple or not? That's all lah. Itu saja. Okay, look very complex, but actually it's very simple. Why we use lambda? I mean, I remember from physics, it's a distance between two consecutive points. So it's like related or yes, you can use other alphabet, no problem. You can use alpha, beta, delta. Can. Because all of these are constants, guys. Semua ni pemala. So you can use anything. The only thing is, admits, they prefer to use lambda. Understand, guys? Preference for admits formula. They always use lambda for vector. Okay? It's just like your constant. Just now person told. Like variation, right? Ubahan. Constant, what symbol you use? May I know? Do you use lambda? Do you use alpha or beta? No, right? A, maths, form 5, chapter 1. Only K. Am I right? You use XYZ, gone, only K for constant. Same. In admaths vectors, the constant for vector is lambda. Understand? They just make it fixed so that you don't need to confuse. Tetapkan satu symbol. Okay, so don't change from here to there, all the symbol. Okay? Can, so better use lambda lah, because the scheme also will use lambda usually. Okay? All right. So now, next one. So they tell you magnitude of BC equal to 1. Okay, so you need to find BC vector. How you get lambda is 1? This one? J equal to lambda J. Can you see? So lambda is 1 based on comparison. Understand? This equation over here. That's all. You will get the lambda 1 because the question say express H in term of K. So you need to know the value of lambda first. Then only you can solve the next equation. So that's the concept. Okay. All right. So for BC, very simple. BO plus OC. So it's 4J minus 3I plus OC. So for the K value, BO plus OC. Wait, guys. How come they ask H value? I think they mean K, if not mistaken, because this one should be K, because we don't know the K value. I think question got mistake code. Soalan silap. Okay, so plus KI minus 3J. Okay, so your answer is K minus 3I plus J. So you find the magnitude for this one, guys. Very simple. The concept is Pythagoras theorem. Am I right? So you just write out Pythagoras theorem. Square root K minus 3 square plus 1 square equal to 1. You see the concept? So you can solve for your K value. So K value you should get how much? You should get 3, if not mistaken. Yeah, you should get K is 3. Okay? Can, guys? Boleh? How to solve the question? All good? So actually, if you get K is 3, right, you can find the H. Am I right? You just substitute in your answer just now. Your H is also 3. So must say jawapan dia 3. Okay? H is 3, K is 3. Any problem, guys? Your vectors? Are you clear? Question number 9. Vector simple or not? Senang tak? I think quite simple, right? That's why I say, guys, and maths, right? If you want to be good in maths, your basic, every single chapter kena kukuh. Make sure your basic knowledge is there. Like Form 4 chapter 1, you got basic. Form 4 chapter 2, you have the basic. Then only you won't struggle for maths. Okay? All right. Question number 10. Okay, so for this question, guys, they ask you to find the area of triangle, luas segitiga. Okay, this one is your coordinate geometry, Form 4, Chapter 7. Again, okay, so for this one, y equal to 11, 5 km from the landmark E, and they give you the ratio, EHG to EFG, 1 to 2. Okay, all right, this is a good question. Okay, so they say there is a floating restaurant H. Ada satu restaurant terapung. We don't know the coordinate. It's a river. Y equal to 11. Okay, so you must just draw a line lah, randomly. Okay, so you see over here. Coordinate of E, 0, 7. Coordinate of G, 7, 8. Okay, so 11, maybe it's somewhere here on top. 11. This is Y equal to 11. Example. Okay, so they say 5 km from landmark E. So guys, if 5 km from landmark E means that it's going to be vertical, if not mistaken. Let me see. Do I assume? It's a locus. Okay, so it can be 5 km. Okay, so they say 5 km from E means that E is going to become your center now, pusat. Okay, so it must be a radius of 5. Do you get the concept? So it can be something like this, just a radius of 5. Okay, can get it? All of you? So means that over here, right, since it's 0, 7, it's going to cut here at 2 because the radius must be a 5. So you can picture it something like this. Okay, this distance over here must be 5 unit. So you will get semicircle, semi-bulatan. Okay, so now what else? Ratio of area. So you have EHG, EFG. Okay, so for F, coordinate F, we don't know yet. Okay, coordinate H. So you need to find out coordinate H first. Okay, so maybe it can be anywhere. Okay, maybe H is somewhere here. Example. Okay, so the question is, they say H must be greater than 0. Means it's positive. Okay, so you see the step over here. The first step is, you know that you have the distance, right? EH equal to 5. Correct? So you can use the distance formula because you know the coordinate E, you don't know the coordinate H. But the Y coordinate for H, you all know is 11, right? Because they tell you it must be on this line. Dia kena ada pada garis tu. So means that the Y coordinate automatic 11. X coordinate, we don't know. So you just label as H lah, based on the question. So you can solve the equation. You will get H equal to positive 3. Remember the question say it must be greater than 0, lebih besar. So this one automatically wrong. You need to choose positive. Okay, so this is your coordinate. This one should be for H, not E. Wait. Yeah, it should be for H. Okay, so this is the first mark. And then you can find the area of, I think the question here got mistake code. The question actually want you to find for EHG, not EFG, guys. Soalan got silap. They want you to find for EHG only. Okay, so it's very simple already. Okay, so you have all the coordinate. H you have, E you have, G you have. Okay, so just use the half modulus formula. So remember, guys, if your coordinates start with E, you must also end with E. Akhir dan mula dengan coordinate sama. Okay, and then what is the method you all use? May I know how to solve this kind of modulus equation? What is the name of the method? Kaedah dia. Anyone? If you guys still remember how to do it. Anyone got idea? Modulus, how to solve it? Come on, think and see. Modulus, how you solve, guys? Yes. Okay, it's the cross method. Yes, is how you tie your shoelace. Ikat kasut. So this is the concept. Remember this pattern for modulus. Okay, is how you tie shoelace. Top to bottom minus bottom to top. That is the concept. Okay, so you can see over here, you will get the answer 12.5 km square. Okay, so just count carefully, you will get the correct answer. Okay, boleh ya guys? This question, quite simple lah. Okay, there is an extra step. Okay, so just now, okay, I think the question was correct. Initially is correct. Okay, because they give you the ratio. Sudah bagi nisbah. Okay, you guys can see over here, EHG to EFG is 1 to 2. So if I know EHG, I can already find EFG. Am I right? EFG is 2 times luas EHG. So you just take 2 times 12.5. The answer is 25. So you can use the ratio at the end. Okay? Can get it? Dapat? So that's question 10. Okay, so now come question 11. Going to finish already. Nah, habis. Okay, so this is under your functions, guys. Okay, so they ask you find the value of A. Okay, so can anyone tell what is the concept? How to find A over here? What should you do first? Kena buat apa? Yes, very good. You can find the F2x. So F2x is actually FFX equal to 4x minus 9. Okay, so Fx, you substitute, gantikan with AX minus 3 equal to 4x minus 9. Okay, so now composite function, fungsi gubahan. Okay, so you substitute AX minus 3 inside the X. This whole thing, substitute in the X. Only the X guys. Dalam sebutan X saja. And then minus 9 equal to 4x minus 9. So you guys can see the pattern. 4ax minus 4x minus 9. Correct lah? Okay, so minus 21 equal to 4x minus 9. Okay, so what can you do over here? You can do the, is there a mistake? Okay, can. A greater than 0. Yes, did I make mistake? 4ax minus 3 minus 9. Okay, no problem. What? Isn't 4x? 4x3? What do you mean? 4x3? 4x power 3 or 4x times 3? Yeah, correct. Minus 12, minus 9, minus 21 lah. But the problem is the number here not the same. Tak sama. That's the thing I'm looking. So can we compare or not? That's why. F2, no, correct only. You just need to do one time because F square X, only F square. So it's like this only. Let me see the answer. AX minus 3. FAX. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Mistake. Oh my God. What happened to my admats? Must be tired. Mungkin sebab letih. Guys, sorry. You must substitute the AX minus 3 inside the X over here. Inside the FX. Dalam FX saja. Don't substitute in the F square X. You're not wrong. It's a good thing also lah. I made the mistake. Maybe some of you might have thought this one must substitute inside here. Must go inside the FX, not the F square X. Because you guys keep on talking about girlfriend lah, this thing, that thing. Of course, I will get careless lah. You distract my mind too much already. That's the problem lah. Okay, never mind. So substitute. Now confirm correct already. 4x minus 9. So selesaikan for x. A square x minus 3a minus 3. So you'll get the answer. Just compare. So bandingkan a square equal to 4. Okay, so mean that a is equal to positive negative 2. But based on the question, a is greater than 0. Lebih besar. So means that you're going to reject negative 2. Tolak negative 2. Final answer, a equal to 2 sahaja. Okay, so that is for question A. Okay, next one. They ask you to find f power 4. Okay, f power 4x means that f square x. Correct? So f square x, you already have the info. F square x is 4x minus 9. So gantikan. And then you substitute inside the f square. Again, kali kedua. So you get like this. Am I right? And then 16x minus 45. Okay? Dapat? Do you get the answer, guys? Clear? If I go too fast, please tell me ya. Kalau terlalu cepat, bagi tahu saya. Okay? Alright. Next one. Question C. So question C is inverse function. So you just need to find inverse function for fx. So Kai, do you like inverse function? Something you will like a lot. 4 times 945 minus 9 what? This fella come already. Kavin, open your eyes. Minus 9. Minus 36 minus 9. Minus 45 lah. What do you mean? Must minus 9. Don't come like me. Now you also start making careless already. I kena inverse by sir already. Not yet. Still waiting for the physical one. This one, mental one already kena inverse. Physical bukan lagi. Okay, so now, how to find inverse function, guys? First step, let f inverse x equal to y. Okay, so then you will get x equal to fy. So x is equal to 2y minus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 over 2. So this is your inverse function lah, guys. F inverse x equal to x plus 3 over 2. Okay, so now they say the x is 9, 9. So you just substitute x equal to 9 plus 3 over 2. So the answer is 6. 6. Done. Simple or not, guys? Senang kan? So this is how you get the answer lah. All of this. Okay, are you clear? Question 11. Jelas? Going to finish. This is your last question for section A. Okay, so question number 12. So this one is about quadratic. Who don't like quadratic? Form 4 chapter 2. All the topic we already touched lah, guys. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to find the value of P. So the info is M and 2M are the x-intercept, pintasan X. Okay, so simultaneous, you can do simultaneous or yeah, I think simultaneous is the best thing over here. Okay, so what you do is x equal to M, fx equal to 0. Correct? GFX also got touch. What GFX? What are you talking? Sir, touching everything. Kai, your sentence, right, is too, what to say, too general. It can mean a lot of things. Be careful. Especially those people over here that are dirty-minded. You guys will think all these kind of things. I say I touch my water bottle also can, what? You say touching everything, I touch my water bottle. Still consider touch, right? Sentuh kan? Okay, so x is M, fx is 0. Okay, so you just substitute fx equal to 0 equal, 0 equal to 2m square. Wait, 0 equal to 2m square minus 3m minus p. So this is your first equation. Second equation, x equal to 2m, fx equal to 0. Because they say they are the x-intercepts. Okay, pintasan x. All right. So 0 equal to 2m square minus 3, 2m minus p. So you expand Okay, kembangkan, you will get 8m square minus 6m minus p. So guys, can you see? One equation, two equation. So you can do simultaneous. Yeah, simultaneous equation lah. Okay, so based on this equation, your negative p sama dengan 3m minus 2m square. So p is equal to 2m square minus 3m. Okay, gantikan yang ni kat sini. So you will have 8m square minus 6m minus 2m square plus 3m equal to 0. So guys, boleh selesaikan tak for m? So you will get 6m square minus 3m equal to 0. 2m square minus m equal to 0. So factorize. I show here 2m square minus m equals 0. So m 2m minus 1 equal to 0. So m is 0 or m equal to half. Setengah. Okay, so based on the question, can m be 0 guys? Common sense. M boleh kosong tak? I don't think so lah. Because they say both of these are the x-intercept, pintasan x. So if m is 0, 2m also 0. No sense. So means that you must take the half lah. Okay, this one you reject. Okay, so can you find your p value now? Yes. Okay, kamu boleh cari nilai p. So just substitute m is half inside this equation, calculate the answer. Okay, that is your answer. Okay, so jawapan akhir, p is equal to negative 1. Okay, you can see here your m is half. Okay, can now guys? Boleh? So although the step here is different, no problem. You can have many step 1. Walaupun langkah ni berbeza sikit, I might have taught in a different method. So my method also correct. This method also correct. This method is the SOR, POR. I never think of this. Sometimes in the exam, this method never come to my mind. So it's all right one. Maybe another method come to your mind. Okay? So next one. So now they ask you, range of fx is positive. Okay, Jolat, positive. Method solve Paul. Yes, solve Paul. Correct. Okay, so fx greater than 0. So okay, same concept, guys. Remember, I told you all, when they never mention what method, you are free to use either method. Okay, just choose one out of 3. Okay, so you just need to draw the graph, lukis, and then they say greater than 0. So you shade over here lah. Bawah kat sini. Okay, so final answer, x less than half, x greater than 1. Okay, are you clear, guys? This method? Any problem? Can the equation over here. So you will get the roots, x is half and x equal to 1. Okay, going to finish. So section B, guys, you guys just choose 2 questions enough. Pilih 2 saja. Okay, so this is question 13, which is progression, I think, if not mistaken. Yeah, question 13, progression. And then question 14, vector. And question 15, quadratic. Okay, so you all tell me what question you want me to discuss. Tell me 2 questions. Type for me the number. Type one shot. 13, 14, 15, you choose 2. Then I follow majority. Simple. 14, 15. 20? Not yet. Some more? More people comment. Which 2 questions you want me to discuss? Kai, you want calculator smack, is it? My calculator just here, you know. Some more people. Can you comment? So far got 13, 15, 14, 15. I need majority. 14, 15. Okay, majority 14, 15 lah. Okay, so we discuss vector. Okay, so for this question, they ask you, will the players arrive at the same time? Adakah dia sampai pada masa sama? Alright, good question. So for this question, they are both running towards the ball, guys. So they want to check, do they arrive at the same time? Okay, so how are you going to see this? Wait, how come there is working on top? Let me see. Oh, that one is for A. Okay, never mind. Okay, so for this one, right, guys, how do you see whether they're going to arrive at the same time? So you see the speed is the same, right? So you need to count the distance to check. Am I right? Kamu kena kira jarak. So you can find the distance, right? How to find distance, guys? Distance formula. Am I right? So for this one, 70 minus 40 square plus 5 minus 15 square. So you count this one, and then yang ni, same formula, 60 minus 70 square plus 35 minus 5 square. So you just count these two, check whether they are same or not, periksa sama atau tidak. If they are the same, then they will arrive at the same time. If not the same, then different time. That's how you see. Okay, so you can see over here, the answer is, wait, not this one. I think is below. Yes. Okay, so the answer is both will arrive at the same time. Can you see? The distances are the same. Sama jarak. Okay, so that's why you can say same time because equal distance. And their speed is also the same. Laju sama. So the concept is if speed equal to distance over time, right? This one you guys know, right? This formula. Kamu kena tahu rumus ni. Okay, so they already tell you this one is same in the question. And now if the distance also same, so automatic time also akan same lah. Am I right? Do you see the concept, guys? So that's why you need to check periksa sama ada jarak sama. If jarak sama, automatic masa sama because the speed must be the same. Okay? Can So this is the concept. Okay, next one. So for question B, they ask you unit vector. Player A to the ball. Okay, very simple. So player A. So the vector is going to be 30i plus with minus 10j. Okay, because it's going down ke bawah. Okay, so it's 30i minus 10j. Okay, so you guys can find unit vector, right? Do you all still remember macam mana cari unit vector? Is the vector over magnitude. Am I right? So you just find the magnitude of this one. So this is your answer lah, guys. You can simplify, permudahkan. Okay, then you will get the final answer. Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay. So far, okay, guys. All of you so silent. Sangat senyap. Are you guys still with me? Following, Hopefully you're still following. I scared you know when you guys silent. Very scary. Okay, so next one, question C. So for question C, they ask you the time difference, beza masa. So how to find time difference? So it's actually based on the velocity. Okay, so what you can do is, you see over here. Okay, this one. Okay, so based on the formula, just now I told you all, velocity is distance over time, right? Okay, so for this formula, the concept is, how do you get the distance? Distance is equal to speed times time. Okay, correct? Jarak sama dengan laju kali masa. Okay, so now the aim is you want to reach the ball. Am I right? Kamu nak dapat bola. So your distance you must go is 75. Am I right? So now they ask for the two players. Dua pemain. Okay, so you need to count separately lah, guys, for player A and also player B. Okay, so this one is for player A. So the concept is player A coordinate plus velocity times time. Okay, how they get velocity? The question already told you, right? Soalan sudah bagi. Okay, you can see over here. Velocity for A is this one. So kamu gantikan lah, substitute. So the original position, kedudukan asal, plus velocity, laju, is equal to the final position, which is the ball. Do you understand this concept? All of you? Boleh faham? So it's initial plus the distance he moved, jarak yang dia gerak, equal to final. Final is when he touched the ball. Dia sentuh bola, 75. Okay? Can? So you can actually solve this one. Am I right? Because this one is a matrix, Form 5, Chapter 2. You all study this? This is matrix. Although at maths, you can use matrix concept. Okay, so you will get T equal to 3.333 second. This is for player A. So for player B, concept sama, use the coordinate for player B and the velocity. Sir, is it 15 minus 3, t minus equal 5, wait, Yes, can. Same answer. Yeah, you can choose up or down, guys. Masih sama. You guys do this also, you get this one. Just choose one enough. Buat satu saja. Jangan buat dua-dua. Don't do both. Because both will give you the same answer. Okay, so don't need to waste time. Same for this one. Find the time. So 2.5 seconds. Okay, so over here, you can find the time difference. Am I right? So it's 3.333 seconds minus 2.5 seconds. Okay, so you can press calculator lah. 3.333 minus 2.5. So your answer should get 0.83. This one is 0.83 over here. Second. Okay? Understand, guys? Dapat? All of you? Can, so this is question 14 lah. 14. Okay, last question, guys. Are you all ready? Soalan terakhir. Very happy lah. All of you come to the end already. Okay, who here likes diving? Anyone here? Siapa suka terjun? Who is a good diver over here? No, not that kind of diving. Diving inside the swimming pool. Kolam renang. Who is good at diving? I'm a cave diver. Wow, really? Cave diver. Slice in swimming pool lemas. Swimming pool itself lemas. Then over here how lah, guys? This one very hard, you know. This one is a very hard spot. Susah. Especially if you guys afraid of heights. Kalau takut ketinggian ni, very hard. And also if you scared of water lah. Kalau takut air, very hard. This is not gymnastic. This is diving. Not gymnastic one. But it involves gymnastic skill. The skill is still needed when you rotate in the air. That one is gymnastic skill, but the landing and the starting is all under diving. But it combined these two sports lah. So you must be very flexible body. Badan kamu kena flexible. Then only can this kind of sport. Okay. So for this one, they tell you Ft equal to this equation. So diving also got equation. Bila terjun pun ada admaths tau. Whatever you do also got admaths one. Okay. So this is the equation. So now they ask you to state the value of H. Okay. So what is the nilai H, guys? May I know? The H is the height from the diver to the pool. So how are you going to find that? You only have this equation. Yes. Okay. The answer is y-axis. So the answer is just 10. Okay, the height is equal to 10. 10. Another method is you substitute t equal to 0. Okay, gantikan. If you substitute t is 0, you also get Ft equal to 10. Same concept lah, these two. Okay, so you can just do like that. You'll get the answer 10. Okay, can guys? Boleh? Okay, next one. Question B. So question B, use completing the square vertex form. Do you all still remember, guys? CTS, Kaedah PKD for BM. Very important. Okay, so first step, what you guys must do in CTS. Very important. First step, if you guys still memorize, what should I do? Anyone? Come on. Yes, your A value must equal to 1. Okay, nilai A mesti jadi 1. Okay, so you will get like this and then like this. Okay, so you just factorize lah, faktorkan, and then yes. Okay, you plus b over 2 square minus b over 2 square. So you're going to plus after here. Okay, let me use different color so that it show you the step. Okay, so you plus b over 2 square minus b. The b value is this one, guys. Negative 1. Negative b over 2 square. So then minus 10 over 6. Okay. So remember the step, guys. Kena ingat. Okay, you must show this step. This step will have mark. So you must show. Jangan skip. Okay. So then what do you do, guys? Kena buat apa lagi? So you can actually now combine this one and this one. Gabungkan. So what you get? T minus half square. The whole thing square. Do you see it? Because t square negative half square, I can combine. Become t minus half square. Okay? And then this one, you just tekan calculator. This whole thing here, press calculator. So how much you get? You will get negative 1 over 4 minus 10 over 6. So the answer is minus 23 over 12. Okay? So you will get final answer negative 3 t minus half square plus 23 over 2. This is vertex form, guys. Paham? Do you guys understand the process? So this is how you answer completing the square. Penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay? Alright. So next one. They ask you sketch the graph. Okay, kamu kena lukis graph. Okay, so how to sketch the graph? Very simple. You guys just need a point. So can you all tell me this graph has maximum or minimum point? Titik maximum atau titik minimum? Yes. Okay, this one is a crying curve. So that's why you have maximum point. Okay, because your A value is negative. Okay, so what can you all senaraikan? What is your maximum point based on the vertex form? From vertex form, always remember you can get titik maximum. That's the concept. So anyone? Maximum point? Yes. Point guys. Point means you must give X and Y. Bila saya cakap titik, kena ada X, Y. Yes. Okay, 23 over 2. So you must write in coordinate form. Okay. So this is one point you can plot. And then this is your y-intercept, right? Pintasan Y. You can plot this also. 0, 10. And then what else? You can find your roots. Cari punca. Okay, so you just let it equal to 0. Okay, this one you guys need to use quadratic formula over here. So you can try. Okay, you can use quadratic formula. So you will get something like this. Okay, rumus quadratic will give you this answer. Okay, you will get two answers over here. Dua jawapan. Okay, you can just leave your answer like this. No problem. Although it's not so perfect, you just plot like that. Okay, so you can see the graph over here. Okay, so you should get something like this. Okay, can guys? Boleh tahu cara lukis graph? So the most important thing is label your maximum point, label the y-intercept, shape must be correct, bentuk kena betul, and then of course you can put your axis of symmetry over here. Okay, and then the roots punca. That's all lah. Itu saja. Okay, understand all of you how to get the graph? So this one is one of the basic skill in your Form 4 Chapter 2. You must know how to draw graph. Okay? All right. So last one. The last question is find the time in second when the height of diver equal to height of platform. So how to solve this, guys? Ketinggian penerjun sama dengan ketinggian platform. So you have to use your equation lah over here. So this is your equation. So now they say that the height of diver is same as the height of platform. So height of diver is actually the FT. What is the height of platform, guys? Ketinggian platform 10 kan? So now my FT is also equal to 10. That is the meaning of the question. Height of diver same as height of platform. This one platform, this one diver. Okay? So you guys just solve for T. Okay, so your answer will get, you just factorize. So nilai T, you should get how much? 60 T minus 6 equals 0. So you can have T equal to 0 or T equal to 6. So guys, which one is the correct answer? May I know? How you get 1 and 0? Betul ke? Only these two answers guys. So which one is the correct one? 6 or kosong? Sorry. This one got mistake here. This one is, 1 over here. Sorry. 1 or 0. Which one is the correct answer? Yes. Okay, the answer should be 1 lah, because the question say find the time when it's equal once again. Sekali lagi. Sekali lagi means after the start. Start is always 0 second. So the second time is actually at 1 second. Satu saat. Okay? Understand? All of you? How to do it? Are you clear, guys, with the question and the discussion today? All of you good? Have you revised your Form 4 already? Confident? Well, how you get H is 10? Because they say that the height of the diver is equal to the height of the platform. Okay? Over here, they ask you state the H, right? Your H represent what? Your H, if you see the question, height of platform, H. So just now, height of platform here, we get 10, right? So they say height of diver equal to height of platform. So height of diver also 10. So if you see your FT, right? FT is height of diver based on the question. So that's why FT also 10 lah. Get it or not? So this is how the story goes. Okay? So that's why FT equal to 10. Alright? Not confident, but boleh lah. Must be confident. Not boleh lah. All this lah. Must be very confident one. Okay, admits, if you guys want to score A+, right, guys? Trust me on one thing. You have to do admits every single day. Okay? This one is a trust you must not make to anyone but yourself. Kamu kena janji kepada diri sendiri buat admits setiap hari. Kalau nak A+, that is the condition. If you want A+ only, then only you do every day. If you want any other grade other than A+, you can skip. Boleh selang hari. So depend on you lah. What is your target you want? What is the target your school set on you? I'm sure that your school would have tell you already. Are you a calon ASPM or calon harapan or calon what? You guys should know by now already. Tomorrow, right? Now is the time you guys will know your potential. Including Form 4, yes, of course. Guys, SPM is Form 4 plus Form 5. Yeah? Please remember. So don't forget your Form 4. That's why I say you guys must recap Form 4. Form 4 very important for all subjects, not only maths and admits. Yes? What's the question? Now is the time you can chit chat. Now you can talk all the silly things you want, no problem. Chit chat. We already finished. You guys got question, you can stay back to us. Like any question about admits or maths or SPM general. When will sir discuss paper 2? Yes, thank you, Joyce. No problem. Paper 2 is tomorrow. What does it mean when they say like find the value of x? Oh, that one is you must let gx equal to x. That's the concept. Whenever you see the word maps onto itself, gx equal to x means the object and image have the same value. Okay? Very hot question in this chapter. Anything that potential to be a... Oh, you still want to design for my face? Oh my God. Oh, don't design some more sticker lah. Already got 3 on my face already. I haven't have lah. Yes, thank you. If you're interested to join my class, you can PM my number. For those new, Mr. Kai, my assistant, can you please tell all the information in the chat box? You have it ready with you, I know already. Anything, you ask my assistant. Assistant is Kai. You see, first information come already. Next, I no need to say one, guys. He will come like an AI. None. Kai is volunteer. 5 days working. Not 5 days lah. Less than 5 days. Don't worry, guys. Not 5 days. 2 days maximum. Not 5 days. Don't worry. I won't ignore your message. Amba. You see, all the link come already. No need to ask anything. He will tell everything to you. Anything about me. I never get paid, you know. Hiya. Never mind. Can you open your face, Kai? I can make a sticker of you also. The title is I never get paid. Hiya. Since you do a sticker of me higher, so right? So I do back to you. Don't want. Fair, right? You do on me, I should do back to you, right? So you open your camera. Well, all the link finished already. There's still one more, Kai. One more article. You forget. One more thing you forget. Which can go physical. What do you mean physical? Motem wax. I don't understand. What is physical? The news. You forget the news already. That's the problem. Come already. All the link. Last time you had all in one, right? You sent in one message. Today separate already. I think he meant he wishes you did physical class. You must be in Penang if you want physical class. Are you in Penang? Motem wax? If you're in Penang, then only you can come. Oh, you want to come from Perak all the way to physical class in Penang? Yes, I know you're in Penang, Kai. Yes, I know. Literally same school as you. You want physical class, is it? Wow. Now got better chance to work with calculator in physical class. Wow, this one I like. Can work with calculator. But this one only can for boys lah. If girl mean, later they go and complain. How come work with calculator cannot? Boys can, girls cannot. Must be careful. We save budget for big calculator. Complain lockup, sir. I don't think boy will complain, right? If I work calculator with boy, they can tahan, right? But girl cannot lah. It's not correct. Chinese use, Chinese use deeper. Our chef, chef What is chef? You call me chef? I thought, oh chief. Okay. Wow, you call me chief, Sir work already means the calculator is mine. No. Who said that? We will meet at the court. Okay. Chinese don't use sleeper lah. Oh, you're wrong. Who is it? Kavin. Indian use sleeper. You mistaken. Belt better. Chinese use belt, man? Really? Kai, you should know better. Is your race. You tell. What is the typical instrument Chinese people use to whack people? I also don't know. Watan. Okay lah. Chinese use watan. Oh, Indian is flexible lah. Okay. Understand. Chinese only one. Watan. Okay. I kena all. Congratulations. You are very good boy. Same lah, Asian in general. 1 hour of disappointment video on loop for 5 days straight. Oh my God. So may I ask a question from 5 chapter 2 because I saw they give formula but did not give area. Area and volume. Are you sure chapter 2 or chapter 3? Chapter 2, area and maybe rate of change. Maybe. You have my WhatsApp, right? Motem wax. You PM the question lah to me. Then I answer you. Well, you guys really want physical since those us in Penang. Want physical suddenly. You guys will come, man? I don't think so. Of course. Nighttime also you will come. Cuti Penang. School? Of course I will do in my house lah. What school? Why you want me to do at school? I'm doing right here, right? In my room. Later, put one chair over here. Put one chair over here. 2 people. You guys just see my computer. Anything can direct smack with calculator. Smack one on the right, smack one on the left. Habis. Very simple. Come my school give talk. Invite me lah. Why your school never invite me? You go and tell your teacher lah, invite. Then I come KL your school and give talk. If you want. Invite lah. How can I request? You must invite. You crazy Daman call Mr. Leonard. PFS is the easiest for me. If PFS itself cannot do, then Kai, you don't hope lah your school will do. Daman can start make sticker D because sir is holding calculator. Oh no. Yeah. Why you give idea? Then I don't want to hold calculator D. I don't want to hold. Later some more speaker come. But PFS got invite any teachers like outsider to give seminar. so far this year? Or then none. That one itself none. Then how they expect to call me? Ayo. GTC okay lah. That one is tuition center. Guys, invite sir lah. You not PFS what? Motam Lex. Panda. Oh, you want Panda, is it? Wait. Oh my god. Something sticking. Cute or not? Very. Why you want on the head? Don't want lah. I so shy. Ayo. I know what you want to do. No need. No. I already heard. You can talk to Chegu Vijay, ask us to do spa. I don't want spa. You go and ask her if you want me to come your school. You go and ask for me to invite. But now there is nothing, no big exam coming, right? For you guys. Now it's just school exam only. That's the problem. Seminar on what? If you want me to come, talk about what? Like SPM in general or maths and admaths? Admaths only. Means do what? Discuss all the topic or teach certain topic? Oh, technique menjawab, is it? Teach topic. Which topic you guys want? Oh, you want discuss exam paper, real format. How to do everything lah? There'll be time limit. What? Time limit, I cannot cover everything. Full day seminar. No teacher does full day seminar. If not mistaken. Today. Have to do in the bilik kuliah. Am I right? Then only got aircon. For my school, they do a board for top student ranking and they make our face like already undergo plus. Oh my god, so bad. First time in free school break a school record. I don't want to break school record lah. I rather break higher records. Free school record all no standard lah. Yes. Never mind, you wait for your senior result first. You wait for your senior result. See whether got any record break or not. Breaking school record in PFS is a big thing. Depends what category you're talking about. Depends. New sticker Daman is Dato Bhuvan. New sticker Daman in Dato Bhuvan. Oh, you're sending over there, is it? Don't send lah over there. You guys. Oh my god. My sticker's gonna get more viral. Yes, thank you very much. Bye. I will try to break your record. As long as you don't break yourself while doing it, it's okay. Take care of yourself. Don't break yourself. How to break the record? What record I have lah? No record what? What record I have? I never go for any record. Tallest Oh, 9A plus. That one got people do what before in the school. Got what? Before my batch got what? 2021. Yes, I know my banner is still there. Daman keep on telling me my banner is still standing strong there. My 9A plus. Daman can send the picture to Dato Bhuvan group. Then he can see. Daman is a banner of me with A plus. Daman wants to see his face there. I think you only sent to me, right? Was it you or someone else? Someone sent the picture to me. It was you lah, correct. I will see my face there. Oh, you want to see your face there, is it? Okay. Work hard. Hopefully you get some inspiration from 07 batch. You must get the inspiration from there. Their result going to come out already very soon based on the news. So yeah, it's April, correct. But they say after Raya code, they speculate after Hari Raya. Because all must celebrate first, what? No, won't be May 1. Because May was for last batch. Last batch May was in May 27. So this year they will push 1 month forward lah. Because SPM also the awalkan what for 07. So 1 month earlier is April. Daman send banner. Why Kai? Why you so in? Oh, I know why you want to send the banner, because you want to make sticker, is it, Mr. Kai? You want to crop out the face and make sticker. I know that's your intention. Oh, it means I now only give you the idea. Oh my god. You guys are very good for sticker, this batch. Surprisingly, this batch only do sticker of myself. The rest never do, 07, 06 don't have. They never do. But your batch only start. I also don't know why. This batch also I say don't do what? You guys still do? This batch rebellious, that's why. Boring batch. No lah, they interesting also. Chapter 3 form 4 Chapter 3 form 4 so easy what? What question you need help? Watch YouTube. Rajin, watch YouTube. I never learned it till now. Watch my YouTube channel. Confirm understand one. You no need to learn that chapter actually. It's just practice only. No concept. You don't like admats, basically. Wait, let me stop the recording first. Or else you guys talk everything inside.